Hi bonono, let's eat dumpling and beef meat ke nono. So is 7 cup of the flour ke mntase and 4 spoon of the brown sugar. Me, I love brown ke. Another person is love white. And a half spoon, teaspoon is a teaspoon of the sea salt and a yeast. This is a measuring dough. No, there's measuring dough was gifted by Palisa. Is make my life easy, guys. Haibo, I love too much. I make the water. My water is not hot, is not cold. Don't mind me, as I was not have oil. The oil was insufficient in my house to make edges to be clean. Here again, I was decrease again, so that is increase again. And then I also go and decrease second time again, so that it is become laugh. Apa, you see, this is my meat again, is already cooked. Is bila. And I put my dumpling, and ta-da, is fine again. You see, when I touch is wake up. You touch and is wake up. No. Make sure you touch again. No. You see, ta-da. Me, I cook too much. If you not, I is problem.